Hello! I'm Kala. And I really like YouTube videos, especially Albert, aka Flamingo. From a very young age, he inspires me a lot. A lot, okay? I really want to be like him one day. Not like him, but, just like him. I'm as weird as him, so. And I may or may not have an accent on me. I'm really shy, so having a job in this world is not for me. So why not do YouTube? Hello?
So you're basically talking to people on YouTube. It's the same thing.
No, it's not. No, it's not, okay? No, it's not. I'm saying it's not the same thing because I don't look people in the face, okay? I don't talk to people eye to eye, okay? I don't make eye contact with anyone, okay? But my screen, so let alone I'm very awkward in person. So for me to post this video on YouTube is really hard because I'm really shy. Safe to say my body is filled with awkwardness. But this is my introduction. So hopefully it gets views or something, I don't know. So for now, I'll say goodbye and hopefully see you soon.